PrimeHub is an end-to-end MLOps platform for data scientists. Create, train, and deploy models easier and faster. You can quickly launch Jupyter notebooks with custom machine learning environments containing frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow. Create shared datasets and access them directly from the notebook. This lets you focus on model development without the need to build the environments yourself. Manage the execution of model training tasks, review the details of completed jobs, clone configurations, and schedule jobs to reproduce results. With model management, you can view the parameters and metrics of model training experiments and keep track of each release using versioning. When a model is ready for deployment, it can be turned into an API service with access control. PrimeHub Apps enhances your machine learning workflow by integrating popular third-party AI tools right inside PrimeHub. You can also extend PrimeHub using the SDK. Start today and discover how simple it is to manage your AI workflow with PrimeHub, either on the cloud or your local computing infrastructure.